In this section of the course, you learned how to create a buyer persona and a unique selling proposition for a business. Let's quickly recap on the main points, and then you can share your completed template on the course Facebook page in order to get feedback from the community. You started by learning that there are two key questions that you'll want to answer in order to effectively market your business. And the first question is, who exactly are your customers and what problem are you solving for them? And secondly, how will your product or service succeed in the marketplace where others may have failed? You also learned that one of the main reasons companies struggle to market their business or fail altogether is because they don't take the time to complete this fundamental exercise. So in order to answer the first question, you learned that you can use a buyer persona in order to pinpoint your perfect customer. Your buyer persona is the person you are creating your content, products, or services for. In fact, they can't wait for you to launch, to read your content, use your product, because you solve a problem that they have. You also learned that your buyer persona could be you if you are solving a problem that you personally experienced. And you also learned how to use 8 online resources to help you fill out the profile of your perfect customer. Now, to answer that second question, you learned how to identify your unique selling proposition. You learned also that you don't need to have existing customers in order to do this. You can just use the massive amounts of customer feedback and reviews that are already online to help you define your position in the marketplace and stand apart from competitors. So that is a recap of the main points that you learned in this section of the course. So what I suggest you do now is take a few minutes, fill out the template, and create a buyer persona and unique selling proposition for your business. Remember, at this stage, it does not need to be perfect. You just need to get something down on paper. And as we go through the course, you're going to be gathering a lot more feedback, a lot more data that you can build back into this document and refine it. And if you want to, at this stage, also get feedback from your fellow students taking this course, there are 3 steps that you should take to get valuable feedback on your buyer persona. The first step is to take 2 minutes, go to the course Facebook page and give feedback for one other student. You cannot expect to get feedback unless you're willing to help others first. So what you want to do is click on this link, which I'll give you in the next lecture. Go to the course Facebook page and give feedback for one other student. So you want to leave a comment. And if you see that the top one here already has a comment, just scroll down a little bit and you'll see maybe someone's work that doesn't have a comment yet. And that's all you have to do, leave a comment there. Step number 2 then is we want to make sure that we can access your document. So what you want to do is change the sharing settings for your Google document to anyone can view as shown below. So you want to click on the share button here, make sure this says anyone with the link can view, and then copy that link. And then you want to paste the link in step number 3 onto the course Facebook page. So you'll paste the link along with any other notes that you want, and then it's going to show up here. So you're pasting the link to your Google document, you're not uploading it. That's just important to clarify because you'd be surprised how many questions I get on this and on this process. The final thing now is please do not ask for feedback through Facebook message or inside the course. Let's just keep everything in one place, and that will really ensure you can get feedback fast. So all of these steps and links are outlined in the next lecture. Go ahead and complete them if you want to get valuable feedback on your buyer persona.